Long time ago, in the ancient times, in the quest for comfort, shelter, and easy access to life and early civilizations, early builders and engineers searched for ways to evolve around construction, from the muddy houses to brick abodes down to modernized construction, and with the use of concrete, which is a mixture of cement, sand, granite, and water. Back then, there were no form of mixing, no pouring, no casting, no smooth finishing. What really mattered was finding a way to stack materials together and to build with what was available at that time. Different materials were introduced, but building with them was slow, exhausting, and limited. Here is how concrete evolved from back in the ancient times to now in modern construction. Early builders and engineers started with mud. Mud was just a mixture of earth and water. Sometimes straw was added. This combination were later shaped into blocks. Mud was simple, cheap, and available everywhere, but couldn't last as loads were being introduced. The muddy mixture couldn't handle the type of force acting on it. Then bricks came in. They were strong and were more organized. Builders started exploring with it, and with that, civilization started to take shape and cities began to rise. But there was a problem. The problem here was none of these materials could truly bind themselves together into one solid mass. The builders started to search. They searched and found something more powerful: lime. Lime worked, and it's simply by heating limestone and mixing it with water. This action created a binding material. They thought of better ways by adding volcanic ash because of some construction being done underwater to make it harden and workable. All this analysis and discovery resulted to what we call cement today. The main setback here was getting a binding material that could put everything in place. And for the first time in history, structures didn't just stand, they were formed. Domes, bridges, high-rise buildings that felt impossible started to become a reality. Today, concrete is everywhere, from the roads you drive on, to the buildings you live in, to the bridges connecting entire cities. Concrete is the foundation of modern civilization. It allows us to build higher, stronger, and faster than ever before. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and drop a comment if you learned something.